Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys another holiday glam inspired makeup look. In my previous video, I did do my first holiday glam makeup and I absolutely loved how it came out. It is the month of December. We're all getting into the holiday spirit, so I want to just come up with different holiday looks for you guys. In my first holiday glam makeup look, I did go in with my Carly Bible Deluxe palette by BH Cosmetics. I used a few of the different, like 3 or 4 different eyeshadow colors in this palette. And in today's video, I will be going back into this one again. I absolutely love this palette. The colors are just gorgeous. In today's video, I will be going back into that palette again, but I'm going to be using a shade that I have not used yet. I want to show you guys the color that I'm going to be using for today's video. I'm going to be going into this beautiful shimmery shade. So it's like a golden brown tone color. It's really shimmery. I think it's really, really gorgeous. And it definitely gives me like all the holiday vibes and all that good stuff. And for the lips today, I'm thinking to go in with a red color. That's what I'm thinking to do, but we'll see when the whole look is done. That's always the last step, are the lippies. So when I do the rest of everything else, when we get to the last step of for the lipstick, we'll see what color, but I'm thinking to do red for today. Alright guys, if you want to see the holiday glam look that I come up with for my second video for this month, then keep on watching. Alright, so first things first is I need to prime my face. I'm going to go in with my Essence Prime Plus Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray. I still can't memorize all the words. Okay, as we let that product sink into our skin, I'm going to go with my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to go in with my Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base. Okay, so now we're going to go into the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery shade, and what we're going to do is we're going to first place the color all over our lid, and then we're going to take a blending brush and then blend out the edges from there. The edges don't have to be perfect because we will be blending the edges out with a blending brush. Right now we're just trying to pack on the color all over the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take a small blending brush. I'm going to take that same color and just blend out the edges. And we're going to use a light hand. And again, whatever I have left over, I like to blend it outwards just to get like a cat eye effect. And we can bring it a little bit closer to the brow bone area. I'm going to take even a bigger blending brush, so it's just a little bit bigger, and I'm going to even just blend out the edges. Okay, so we're gonna come back to the eyes. Right now we're gonna do I'm gonna go in with my foundation. For today's video, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation in the color Ivory. I feel like I'm forgetting everything. Okay, so I just finished my foundation and my eyebrows. I went in with my Essence Eyebrow Pencil in the color brown to fill in my eyebrows. Now we're going to go in with concealer for today's video. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Ivory. Now we're going to set the entire face using my MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC20. Okay, so I'm going to put on some false lashes. I'm going to go in with my Ardell Wispy Lashes. Okay, so I did finish the rest of my eyes. On my lower lash line, I did go in with the same gold color as my lid. For my inner tear duct and for my brow bone, I went in with this shimmery color. It's like a frosty white shimmer. It's really pretty, so that's what I did with my inner tear duct and my brow bone. For my lower waterline, I did go in with this Essence Eyeliner Pencil. It's in the color 04 White. For my lashes, my lower lashes, I did put on the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the color Black. And I like to, when I do put on false lashes, I like to mix them with my lashes, and I went in with my Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara, also in the color Black. Now I'm going to be contouring my face. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Cheekers blush in the color Natural Rose. Okay, to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with my Carly Bible Original Palette by VH Cosmetics. Okay, so the last step is the lipstick. I'm going to be first I'm going to be lining my lips using an Essence lip liner in the color Femme Fatale. Now I'm going to fill in my lips using a lipstick by Sephora. It's their Cream Lip Stain, and I'm going to be using it in the color Always Red. Okay, so the last step is to set everything, and I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Makeup Setting Spray. Alright guys, that comes to the end of today's makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you liked my second holiday glam inspired makeup look. I definitely love how the red lip it goes really well with the eyes, like the gold tones. Yes, definitely a little bit more on the dramatic side, but I love this time of year just playing around with different colors. What colors that really are like holiday inspired, Christmas inspired. So I know last year I did one using like red and green colors on my eyes. I'm gonna probably do a few more holiday inspired looks, maybe one or two more, and I definitely want to use some pink tones. I'm thinking to do like a pink look on the eyes and maybe a nude lip, but we'll see when that time comes how I feel. Anyway, so that is all I've got to say for today. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!